Introducing the KitchenAid Artisan 4.8 liter tilt head stand mixer. This stand mixer has a metallic build. It has 300 watts. It comes with the following features. It has up to 10 speeds. This is the one that controls the direct drive motor. The direct drive motor can be used to run other attachments from KitchenAid. You can get a pasta cutter, a meat mincer, a sausage stuffer, where you can connect them from this point and they run with the motor for the mixer. It has a 4.8 liter bowl. This is for when you want to make large mixes, and also comes with a 3 liter smaller bowl to make smaller mixes. It has the wire whisk. This is for whipping eggs and also making whipping cream. It has 2 beaters. We have the flexi beater and the normal beater. The flexi beater is unique in that it helps scrape off the mixes from the edges of the bowl and helps reduce mixing time. We have the dough hook. This is for when you want to make pizza dough, sourdough, and maybe bread dough. This is the pouring shield. You can pour in extra ingredients from here and also helps reduce the splattering and messes from the kitchen. This is the locking place mechanism. This is where you can move the stand mixer head up and down, so you unlock to move it. It has the special planetary action. This planetary action helps the beaters. They move anti-clockwise while this one is moving clockwise, and this helps reach up to 59 points per rotation to help mix your mixes thoroughly. And the parts are dishwasher safe, so feel free to wash this in a dishwasher, or you can just wash them with warm soapy water. That's it.